Sections are just as an important type of view as an elevation, and they do in some respects give us a lot more flexibility than just creating a straightforward elevation. Here I've continued on from the previous exercise, although that's not entirely necessary, and you can just open the Chapter 5 Elevations project. From the floor plan, O1 entry level, scroll out so you can see most of the view. From the View tab, I can create a section. The section tool is also available on the Quick Access toolbar by default. Clicking on the tool allows me to create a building section. This is a two-part process. Click once and click again gives me my building section. Here we can see the depth of the view, which can be dragged using the grips, and we can also drag the field of view using the grips on either side. As with sections, once I've deselected the section, I can double click on the section head and it will take me to the relevant view. Let's look at the section properties in a little bit more detail. If I click on the section line, you can see that we have a little break symbol. This means I can break the section lines so the actual line doesn't pass all the way through my drawing. I also have a flip arrow. This allows me to flip the orientation of the section. Let's see that in action if I open the section view and we tile our windows. Let's just place the windows one on top of the other and zoom to fit. Selecting the section, you can see in the actual section itself that we're selecting the viewport boundary. If I click on the flip arrow, the section changes. We also have a control on the section head that allows us to cycle through any of the section heads that are available or predefined in our project template. We can do this for both ends of the section, regardless of what's happening at the other end. Additionally, for the section, we can create what's called a split segment. Click on the split segment option, and this allows us to create a split or a jog in our section or view. So if I now go to my section, it looks substantially different from the way it was before. We've lost a portion of the building here. Let's tile those two windows again and just see what's going on with that. Zoom to fit, and let's have a look at that section. If I now drag using the grips this line, we should now be able to see through the stairs or into the corridor and office.